Hi, welcome back to Sales Tips. I'm Christopher Beasley. Today I was watching a video about purchasing a new vehicle, and the video kind of trailed off into talking about sales, and they brought up a really important point. And that point is what I want to use for today's sales tip. That tip is never need a sale. And that sounds really counterintuitive, but when you're in a situation where you need a sale and you're selling out of desperation, it really comes across and the customer can pick it up a mile away. They can see it in your body language. It starts to seep into exactly what you say to the customer. And it just makes it a lot easier for them to say no because it's a big turnoff. Your focus is always to help the customer find the best solution for their situation. In needing a sale, it's a difficult situation because there are a lot of sales managers who press really hard and they're very aggressive and kind of overbearing because they want to make sure that you meet the sales quota. And so a lot of times when they deliver their message to you, it's you better reach your sales quota or else. And so what happens is, as a salesperson, you go out into the field and you're not really focused on helping the customer. You're focused on meeting your quota so you don't have to deal with whatever or else is. And it just becomes a bad situation all around. The customer doesn't get the best help that they deserve. You're selling in a stressful situation and it's a losing battle, okay? You really can't be fully present if you're selling under pressure, okay? So in your mind, you don't need a sale. You're just going to present what the options are to the customer. And, after you present those options and you touch all those pain points, the next logical move is simply make the sale. And it's okay if you don't. You really want to it's a balance that you have to strike. And it can be hard to do. Okay, but here's the key. You present the information to your customer. You let them know what the options are. From their perspective, it's no pressure. However, you're so thorough in your presentation that after you finish this, what day would you like to set up for, delivery or however, okay? And so not selling under pressure or not needing the sale really is going to help you reach your goals in the long run because there's no pressure. It doesn't come out of your pores and you're not looking like a desperate salesperson. All right. So yeah, definitely think about that. Practice that. All right. And regardless of what type of pressures your managers put on you, just remember, honing your skills is the most important part. You can sell anywhere. You can sell anything. Once you learn how to sell, you can sell anything. So you become the prize. It's always harder to find a really good salesperson than it is to have to try to replace you or, something like that. That could be really expensive for a sales manager. So just remember that you bring to the situation when you're a good salesperson. All right. So leave me some stories down in the comments. I'd like to hear how you're doing in the field. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications. And like the video. Thanks a lot.